In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use the contact list section in WAM Axiroz. Each row represents a separate contact list. You'll see the list's name, how many contacts are in it, and how many of them have read your messages. In the action column, you can manage each list, including editing, deleting, or launching new messaging campaigns. You can add a new contact in two ways, using the Add New Contact button at the upper left corner. Enter the contact's name, set the status to active or inactive, and fill in the necessary details. From the action column in the contact list, click on the action icon to add a contact by entering their name, contact number, segment, and the country they belong to. By keeping your contact lists organized, you'll make your campaigns more effective and ensure higher read rates.